high above the mountains, where the sky stretched wide and endless, lived a proud eagle. His wings were strong, his eyes sharp, and his flight graceful. Every morning, he soared through the clouds, gliding effortlessly, watching the valleys below. To all creatures, he was the king of the sky, untouchable, fearless, and free. The eagle loved his perch on a tall cliff. From there, he could see rivers winding like silver ribbons, forests swaying in the wind, and tiny animals moving far below. He believed no one could harm him. I am the ruler of the skies, he thought. No arrow, no hunter, no danger can reach me. One quiet afternoon, as the eagle circled above, searching for prey, a hunter stood hidden among the trees. The hunter had been watching patiently, bow in hand, waiting for the perfect moment. He drew back the string, and with a sharp whistle, an arrow flew through the air. The eagle felt a sudden sting in his breast. His wings faltered, and he cried out in pain. Shocked, he looked down at the arrow that had pierced him. To his sorrow, he saw that the shaft was feathered with plumes from his own wings. The hunter had used fallen feathers from the eagle to craft the arrow. The very strength of the eagle had been turned against him. As the eagle sank slowly toward the ground, his heart heavy, he whispered, "Alas, it is bitter to be struck down, but it is far more bitter to know that I have given my enemy the means of my own destruction." The forest grew quiet as the eagle lay upon the earth. His proud eyes dimmed, but his final thought lingered. Even the strongest can fall when pride blinds them, and sometimes our own gifts can be misused against us. The hunter picked up the arrow, but even he felt a pang of sadness. The eagle had been majestic, a creature of beauty, yet the lesson was clear. Strength must be guarded, and pride must be tempered with wisdom. From that day, the story of the eagle and the arrow spread across the land. Parents told it to their children at bedtime, reminding them that arrogance can lead to downfall, and that sometimes we ourselves provide the tools for our own harm. See, kids, we often give our enemies the means of our own destruction. Pride and carelessness can turn our own strengths into weaknesses. Good night for today. Let's meet tomorrow at SmartBabyToon again for another soothing bedtime story. Love you, dear. Remember that you are very, very special.